Hi guys, I am coming to you from Bali and I am going to give you a list of places in no particular order that you can visit when you come to Bali, Indonesia. Okay? So number one, you could go to the African safari. Yes.
And did you know the elephant donkey, male and the female, eyes fine, but it's like white and brown and also smaller than we saw the our hotel with the closer look. Yeah, the largest.
You can go to the Ubud restaurant where they have a lot of swings and you could ride various swings and take memorable pictures. So, yes. And if you're really into adventure, you could do the ATV at Keep It All Adventure. It's a fun terrain. It's muddy, it's wet. You see a beautiful statues and beautiful terrain. And there are a lot of rice plantations. Another good place is go to the glass bridge. For those of you who are not afraid to walk on the glass, just don't look down because it gets very scary. Yeah, this is a glass bridge here. Oh goodness. Look down. Ah! Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, and you can also take a Balinese cooking class where you get to cook your meal and eat it. That's the fun part. Yes. And you get a cookbook to go home with so you could cook it at home. Hello, this is Veronica from Veronica YOLO Travel, and I am here in Bali at the Kobik Bali cooking class. And this is all the food that we all made here with our own hands. Check out the food. You can go to the monkey forest. Just be careful when you're there because I had seen them grab a baby's ice cream, okay? And they will grab your hat, your glasses, your shades, and your purse. So be careful. So my friend wanted to sit down and take a picture with the monkeys behind her. Slowly, one crept up on her and got all over her. Do you see how scared she is? You can also go down to the beach and fly your kite and see the sunset. And one of my favorite things to do was go to the elephant sanctuary where you could feed the elephant, you could bathe the elephant, and you could ride the elephants. And they have a restaurant and so many things to do. This is my little baby. I have to get my baby nice and clean. And you could take a trip to the rice terraces, and over at the rice terraces, you could zip line, you could ride the swings, and over there is also the glass bridge. So go and get your Superman on. Woo! Yeah. Hey guys, I am in Bali here, Bali, Indonesia, and I just learned at the age of 58 years old that there's a plant that when you touch it, it falls asleep. Check it out. Watch this. Did you see that? Check. You saw that one? That is so cool. You can walk through the rice terraces. It's so relaxing. You can take the sunrise jeep tour in the mountains. You have to wake up early in the morning, about 2:30 a.m.